Hey guys, welcome to React with Rons, and as you guys read in the description, today we are unboxing Sidemen clothing.
I'm gay.
The first thing I didn't like about Sidemen clothing, and I'm saying again, I didn't like about Sidemen clothing.
Turn to a fuck.
Okay, so I'm just gonna start with the first item. By the way, if you guys are wondering about the size comparisons and everything, so since I do have kind of a heavy build, so I went with the largest size because I didn't want to take the risk of going with. Usually I get fit in XL, but I went with double XL just to make sure, like, for the future I will know the size if I'm gonna order more merch from Sidemen clothing. But yeah, so if you guys are thinking about, if you guys are confused about if what size you want, just go with the biggest one. I'm gonna wear it as well and see how it fits, so I'm gonna give my proper review which size you should buy. If you fit in XL, should you go with XL or double XL on Sidemen clothing. So let's go first. So the first thing I ordered is the two-tone white t-shirt. Let me actually open up the package. Okay, first of all guys, so I got my receipt over here. Go. So I bought 4 items from Sidemen, and this is the receipt I got. The description is very well. It has my mailing address, everything over here. So I'm just gonna go with, as I mentioned, the two-tone white t-shirt first. So here we go. By the way, I really liked the way they packed the stuff inside, not the outside package. I mean, the outside package was still fine. If it would have had a box with it, would have been extra protective. Second thing, this thing over here really looks really cool. I'm gonna use this packing for some other stuff as well. Just keep my fucking documents or stuff like that. You know the Indian mentality. So I'm just gonna keep this over here, and let's start with a two-tone t-shirt over here. Here we go, guys. So this is the two-tone t-shirt I got. Again, the size is double XL, and I'm gonna wear it in the end of the video, where all the things I bought. By the way, the quality is really amazing. Like, the moment I touched this, I could really feel the quality. It's really good. And the tags over here, guys, you might be wondering, this is kind of a normal tag, but it's not. It's a really hard one. And the amazing thing about this tag is it has a barcode. So when you scan this barcode, let me show you. When you scan this barcode over here, wait for the surprise. So when you scan this barcode over here, it's gonna take you to Sidemen YouTube channel. So it's a really clever marketing strategy. If you guys haven't subscribed to Sidemen, and if you do love Sidemen, basically I'm doing a promotion for them, but do subscribe them. Those lads work really hard. But this is a really good marketing strategy. I thought it was gonna take me to the Sidemen clothing store, but it took me to Sidemen YouTube channel, which is really cool. Okay, alright, so we're done with this one. The second thing I'm gonna go with is the
Several months later.
sliders. Yeah, I got it. quality quality, it's really good. Even the bottom is like, you can see it's like amazing work, Sidemen. I'm just gonna see. So this is UK 10 size. UK 10 probably fits me the best in terms of like shoe sizes and slipper. So oh my god,
Yeah, boy.
size is really amazing, guys. So if you have been wearing UK 10 size, if you're buying a slider on Sidemen, you should go with UK 10 only. It's really amazing. I'm just gonna start wearing this right now. Fuck Under Armour. Don't take it personally, Under Armour. Okay. So after this, I'm gonna go with the third thing I bought. Again, the packing was really amazing. I'm again gonna keep this packaging, and again, so for the size confirmation, I bought XXL just to show you guys. And this is the second item we bought. Sidemen hoodie, the two-tone Sidemen hoodie. So I think XXL should fit me fine. One thing I want to talk about is, if you guys have a size of XL, go with XXL in case of hoodies. I'm gonna wear it and see how it fits. Just because the way I look, I think XXL should be the one. If you guys have XL. So XXL should be the one you guys should go with. Each and every Sidemen clothing, you'll see this since 2013. And the good thing about the hoodie is it mentions the actual date at the back. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. So basically it's this. Yep. So it's 19th October 2013. The day Sidemen was formed. Again the hashtag Sidemen, you naughty. Okay, so we are done with the hoodie as well. I'm just gonna keep it here. Now I do have a really, the last thing. This is one of the most things like I've been waiting for to unbox. And here we go. The Sidemen chain. The boxing is really nice. I thought they were gonna put it in like some kind of wrapper, just like the sliders, but like this is really cool. Oh, we do have like a cloth inside as well. Oh, nice. The Sidemen cloth. Guys, this is really delicate. Look, there's another packing inside. Wow. I'm just gonna open it. How many packings did they give this man? So there's another packing, and there's another one inside of this one. So we're just gonna quickly open this up, and we have this one. Oh my, guys, if you hold this, it feels really amazing. Like, it's moving a lot though. So here, I'm just gonna wear this right now. Oh, I have to wear it the other way. Stupid me.
One eternity later.
Got it. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna start with the t-shirt first. So we'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, I'm back. So here we have our Sidemen t-shirt. So looks pretty cool though. Like according to my arm size and everything, looks really cool. And I'm just gonna quickly go and try the hoodie as well. Okay, here we go. So this is the hoodie. The fitting is quite amazing though, and like I think you can see the lines as well. Looks pretty cool though. I'm gonna wear it like pretty much often, like once the winter starts maybe. Right now it's gonna be too hot, but like my arms fit amazingly in this one, and the Sidemen logo, I think it's a reflective. I'm just gonna see if it's the reflective one or no. Nah, it's wrong. But still, it's pretty amazing, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna have a seat back. Yo, I'm gonna stream with Sidemen clothing. Still hopefully have my chain here. It's pretty amazing, man. Okay, and yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys wanna go ahead and buy Sidemen clothing, so that's my review. And again, for the sizes, just go, if you guys have a confusion for a smaller size or a bigger size, always go with the bigger one, because these are like tight fits on, not, I wouldn't say tight fits, but they really fit amazingly. Even if you go with a bigger size, it's gonna fit amazingly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace out, and stay tuned for the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, react to Ron and to Sidemen. Take care guys.